Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Monday market webcast. Okay, we'll start here with the daily chart. And this blue line here is your 9-day simple moving average. And it's support. It's been support for 3, 5, 6, 7. You know, it hasn't closed below. Well, it's closed below once in the last, going back to May the 21st. So it's been support. The one push down bounced off of the green line, which is the 20-day. So the bulls have defended every dip is the important part. 42.49 is the new high on the continuation chart. On the September contract, that's 42.47.5. You've seen a little bit of an attempt. They traded as high as... they traded up to that 47.5 in Globex. It's been rejected back a little bit. It's currently trading 42.34, and we're below a whole lot of potential resistance. Hourly mid-band comes in at 37.86, call it 38. 5-minute mid, 37.5. Our proprietary moving average is 39. Volume-weighted average price is about 42.40. So the 37.5 to 40 area when we open up in a half an hour is going to be important. We want to be long above that, and we want to be short below. You go to the hourly chart, and we had this period of compression. It was compression in a wide enough range to get some things done, and you had two looks at weekly pivot. Bounced here on Tuesday, bounced again on Thursday. They whipped it around a little bit. Friday was pretty friggin' boring, actually. One move down to the daily pivot in the area of 21.5, and then they broke out a little bit to the upside into the close. Pretty flat through Globex. You had the spike move to the off the Europe Open, and then that's kind of bled back down, and you see we're below that hourly mid-band of the 38 area. The new weekly pivot is 42.24. Would not be surprised if that got a look today, latest tomorrow, early in the week. The weekly pivot tends to get a look. If we do, the bears are going to have to do a whole heck of a lot better down there than they did here or here. If they do that, then it starts to open up a move back towards the roundy at 4,200, which is really only getting back to where this thing is traded, all the way back on Thursday. So, it's certainly not a moment in ancient history. What the bulls want to do is they want to hold weekly pivot. They want to get back above 38. They want to take out that 47.5 and move up to the upper Bollinger Band on the September contract, on the daily chart of the September contract, which is around 42.63. 42.63 to 42.65 is an open price. It's there to be printed if the bulls can get enough momentum to head to the upside and do it. All right, that's all I've got for now. We'll see where we close today relative to that weekly pivot. All right, everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy. Take care. Check us out on Reddit. Check us out on the new private Facebook group, Princeton Trader Trading Education. Just look up Princeton Trader on Facebook. It pops up. See everybody over there. We're going to start doing some Q&A sessions and all kinds of stuff there as we get into the summer. Take care. Trade them well. Talk to you tomorrow. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princeton Trader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade them well.